Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you about this amazing website. It's called Welocalize. This website provide remote jobs that you can do from home. It's called Welocalized. And go and have a look. It's called welocalize.com. You can go check this out when you've got time. I'll leave a link in the description, on the description box. As you can see, they are mainly specializes in artificial intelligence. Like you can see, artificial intelligence training, data services, localization, translation. I think this is the services they are providing for their customers. So they are the people who are working behind this, and the people are freelancers, people like us, who are the one who will be doing the remote work for them. So you can have a look at this website when you get time on your own, but I'm just gonna show you where you're supposed to go and apply for those jobs. So if you go down all the way from the website, you can click on the careers over here, and they are saying at Welocalize, our global team is brought together by a passion for language and culture. This is what empowers our team to transform multilingual content and help global brands reach, grow, and engage with international audiences. We work for some of the best companies in the world and have developed a culture of continuous learning and improvement. So you can click on Explore Welocalize Careers, and they're saying here, transform your career, join our team. You can read all of this by yourself. They're saying the 4 pillars are customer service, quality, global team, and innovation. So yeah, you can read all of this when you got time. What you're supposed to go, you go and click on Explore Welocalized Opportunities. And as you can see here, you can filter your search by location type. As you can see here, you go on site. You can do on-site work, hybrid, or remote. It's up to you, but most of the people know, I think for me, I'll prefer remote work. But hybrid is like you can be on site and remote at the same time. So it's like half, and on site is like 100% on site. So I will click on remote, and you've got location here. You've got all location. You've got Amsterdam, Argentina, Athens, Greece, Austin, Texas, Austria, Barcelona, Spain, Beijing, China, Belgium, Berlin, Germany, Brazil, Bulgaria, Cairo, Egypt, Canada, China again, Romania, California, all of these locations. This is where they've got Iceland, India, Indonesia, Ireland, Pakistan, Turkey, Italy. I haven't seen any African countries so far. So yeah, you can have a local remote Europe, Slovakia, all of these countries, United Kingdom. So there you go. If your country is here, so just go ahead and free to apply for the job. And you have also got a team. You've got all there is artificial service general application, data validation. This corporate jobs or area careers, these are mainly, I think, if you go a someone who's like a professional, you've got specific certificate you want to do. But the artificial intelligence services, you can do it even if you don't even have any this kind of certificates, but you need to know maybe English, a little bit of English, or the language that they will provide. And you've got work type here. You've got contract, freelance, remote, full-time, part-time, all of this internship and internships, part-time, and categorize. So yeah, you can go ahead. As you can see, artificial services, because I choose the location to be remote, so all of these are remote jobs. You've got this one in United States, data analyst specialist, data analyst lead, data validation. You've got all of that. Search quality later, search quality later, called search quality later. So because I live in United Kingdom, I'm gonna show you how to add quality later. These are all jobs that you can do even if you don't have any kind of certification, to be honest. So I'll try to find the one in United Kingdom and lead you the requirement. You've got all this ads quality later in Germany. Okay, they've got scout search quality later in United Kingdom. If you go ahead and apply, if you click on that, the main purpose of the law, they're saying, are you a search engine guru? Do you know how to find what you're looking for with just a few keywords? So if you're a person who likes being on computer most of the time, you know how to go around. So this role can be for you. Like I say, you don't need any certification for this. Are you the type of person that already knows what someone is saying before they finish their sentence? If so, we have a unique opportunity for you to put your skills to the test. So the main duties of the job is you will support our client's project as a search quality later. In this position, you use your unique gift of understanding people's intentions to improve the online search engine experience. So you can go read all of that. They're saying in this position, you will be able to set your own schedule, so it's flexible to accomplish the weekly goals. However, you will only be receive support from the project management team during business hours, which is Monday to Friday. They've put the time over here. So the project details, the job title, search quality later, location in United Kingdom based, remote, hours. So they give you minimum, you have to do 10 hours per week, up to 20 hours per week. So you can do more, up to 20 hours. So you need to say your own schedule. Start date, it is as soon as possible. So they need people as soon as possible. So you can go and apply if you want. Employment type, freelance or independent contractor. So as you can see, there you go. This work is based in project needs weekly may vary. So requirement, you need to have full proficiency in English, United Kingdom, strong understanding of English, must be located in the United Kingdom, strong understanding of popular culture in the UK, English, must be dedicated only to search quality rating program and not other search or arts rating programs, must not have current or previously experience with arts quality rating. So if you have not done this kind of work, you can go ahead and apply for it. Web survey and able to work in a fast-paced environment, excellent online research skills, reliable computer system and internet connection. So you need to have a good, reliable antivirus software, ability to follow instruction in English, like I say, no certification at all, just if you know English, must sign a non-disclosure agreement in DA, must pass learning modules, so they will give you some kind of materials to read and do some work on that, like they're gonna give you like a test, I think it's English test, so I don't know. Must pass learning modules and required quality test designed by our clients before starting work. So when you join Welocalize, you have the opportunity to bring your career to the next level. You receive steady work of volume of work and long-term partnership where it applies, professional development, work on exciting projects that will inspire you, keep learning and growing. So you can work with multicultural international team with a great variety of documents and content types, 24 hours, 6-day week support from our community team. So they are saying if this opportunity sounds appealing to you, apply below. So you can just go ahead and apply for this job. So if you don't have the localized what is this no, you don't have to register with this course after applying, because I've done it. After applying for the position, they will mainly send you an email, and you can, after that, you can register with their other site is called Okta. So that is where you'll be doing all your work on signing all those paper and the agreement and confidentiality, yeah, all of that. So they're asking for the LinkedIn profile. If you have, it's not necessary. Resume, your CV, you have to attach your full name, email, phone, your current company if you're working, links, LinkedIn. If none, just type not applicable. GitHub URL, portfolio URL. If you have those kind of things, you don't have to provide this because it's not necessary, it's not mandatory. Time commitment, they're asking, would you be able to work maybe 10 hours per week? Click yes, and of course you have to say no. Yes, you can't say no here because the minimum is actually 10 hours per week. Learning, you'll be provided with practice, simulation, material, and instruction that will prepare you to take the final exam. So they are asking you if you can do it. After you need to successfully pass all section of the exam to qualify, and they're asking you, are you willing to commit to taking the time to go through the material plus exam phases in order to qualify and be hired for this role? So of course you're gonna click yes. Adds quality later experience. Do you have previous experience as an art quality later, either with Welocalize or another company? Yes, click yes if you've done it. Click no, or I'm not sure. So because they are looking for some people, for someone who have not ever experienced with arts quality later, so you have to say no. But if they're saying if yes, can you please clarify the tools used? So you have to write it down. Okay, then you've got current search experience. Are you currently working as search quality later or search evaluator? You have to answer yes or no, and if yes, you need to clarify the tools you're using, and where did you find this opportunity? So you can say, I don't know, YouTube or Google, anything like that, maybe from a friend. They're saying, please let us know where you find our job that led you to apply with us. And they're asking you, if do you have a smartphone that you can use during the rating project? How do I in technology question? Do you have a PC or laptop? PC is personal computer. Country, in what country you are born, in what country do you currently live, how long have you lived in the country? So they're asking all of that. The language, if you know the project conversation. So this project pays by the task, up to 13 USD per hourly approximately, and they're asking you, would you accept it? Of course, yes. Arts quality later application. If you applied for arts quality later opportunity, you can type yes or no if you've done it maybe in the past. So they need to know. Registered with Welocalize, if you registered and worked on any Welocalize project previously, so you have to type in yes or no. If yes, please let us know your Okta ID, email address, so it helps us to retrieve your profile. So as I say, after you apply for this job, they'll send you an email so you can register with Okta, and from there you can get your Okta ID. So if you want to put any additional information, you can put it over here. And you have got this USA Equal Employment Opportunity information. Compression is voluntary and will not subject you to adverse treatment. So you don't have to put these details if you don't want. They're just asking for gender, race, or maternal status. And after that, you can click here if you want Welocalize to contact you about future jobs opportunity for up to 10 years. And after you submit your application and wait for that email, so you can go to the next stage. So there you go, guys, that's it. If you are interested to apply for this kind of jobs as a quality later, just go ahead and do it. It's very simple. As soon as possible. And as you can see here, they've got like lots of jobs and different countries, Brazil, so you can check if your country is here and you can go ahead and apply for the job. They've got as well the compilation, the translation, localization, interpretation. If you've got certificate in that or a degree, you can, or experience, you can go ahead and do that. So yeah, okay, as you can see, they've got lots and lots and lots of jobs you can do online, like linguistic journal application, on-site project space. So yeah, there you go, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please make sure to share with other people, and do subscribe to my channel. And if I've got anything to share with you for the next another time about any available job that you can do online, I'll make sure to post the video. So it's bye for now. Goodbye.